and girls. I hope that you're having a really great morning and that you're here and ready to learn. If you didn't know already, my name is Mrs. Wynn and I'm your first grade teacher. Now, because this is a brand new year, we may or may not know some of our classmates' names. Now, some of you guys might have some old friends of yours from your kindergarten class, or you might notice a few friends from a different class, but you didn't know their names, or you might notice a person that you've never met before last year, because there's some friends in here that came from a brand new state. So welcome to Texas. Now, for the next few weeks, we're going to all try to learn everyone's names in here. And the best way for us to do that is to create a name stick. Now, in your bag last week, from your supply pickup, you're going to notice that there was a white index card, okay, and a brown popsicle stick. Popsicle stick and a white index card, okay? Now, I want you to pull those two items out of the bag for me. So I'll give you a moment to do that. All right. Now, what we're going to do with these two items is we're going to take out, well, first off, I want you to take out, you should have your markers already. So I want you to pick one of your favorite colored marker out for me. And I want you to take out your index card. I chose green because green is my favorite. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to open up your marker and I want you to write your name nice and big and neat so that I can see it. So here's an example of mine that I went ahead and did. I wrote Mrs. Wynn. Okay. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take out your glue stick and your popsicle stick. Now, at the top of your popsicle stick, you're going to take your glue and you're going to rub it at the end of your stick. Oh, that didn't look nice and neat. Let's see. Like this. And now you're going to take your index card and you're going to place it right on top of your popsicle stick like this. Okay? You just created a name stick. So it should look like this. Now, with this name stick, it's going to help me and your classmates learn each other's names. This will also take place when you raise your hand to speak. Okay? For example, if I ask a question and you want to share your answer, you're going to raise your name stick up so that I can read your name, and I'm going to call on you to speak or talk, and then after that, this is going to help me and all your classmates learn. Now, keep this in a safe place or keep this beside your computer because whenever we meet on Zoom, I want to be able to see this name stick. And we're going to use this until everyone learns each other's names. Got it? All right, go ahead and get started. I can't wait to see your name stick. Bye.